Hey, Steve here, your DIY dude. Today I'm going to take you for a ride in my 2006 8th Gen Civic and show you what a failing clutch looks like. If you're watching this video, unfortunately, you're probably in the same boat as me. If this video helps you out, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. Let's get started. Alright, here we go in our 2006 Civic EX, having some clutch issues. It's a manual transmission and it's got about 143,000 miles on it. I'm gonna give you just a quick example. Just by looking at the RPMs, a couple things that are easy to diagnose is that your RPMs are rising. You're getting to 3,000-4,000 RPMs, but your car is not accelerating like it's at 3,000 or 4,000 RPM. So first gear. Second gear. You see how the tachometer just started shifting higher and higher without the car accelerating. You can kind of see the tach slip a little bit. So that's one of the tall tale signs that your clutch is going out. I'll do it again. I'm getting on the freeway real quick. So third gear, see how it kind of jumped up and my car's not accelerating. So see if you can hear and it accelerates a little bit, but not nearly as peppy as it should. So let's go to fourth gear. See how it's jumping up, but my clutch isn't even catching. So I'm only at 50 miles an hour. So that is it. That's why it's we're bringing it to the shop this weekend. We're gonna drop the clutch and put in a new one, and stay tuned. It's gonna be fun. All right, let's check out some auto shops near me and see what they charge to change out my clutch in my 2006 Civic.
Garage, this is Chris. How can I help you?
Hey Chris, quick question for you. I have a 2006 Honda Civic looking to get the clutch replaced and possibly the flywheel. I was wondering what you guys charge for that.
Yeah, we're looking about $1,500.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, thank
All
you.
Right, bye.
All right, bye-bye.
$1,500? I don't think so. That's why we're gonna do it ourselves, ladies and gentlemen. Save a couple pennies. All right, let's do this.